Pero among the people that I think that are not satisfied, si champion, Jake De Leon. I've seen his post every single day. Makikita mo, leading to the upcoming championship. Napaisip tuloy ako Si Ravena ba, wrestler ba talaga yan? O artista lang yan? Ano sagot mo doon?
Wrestler ako.
Hmm.
Magaling lang talaga ang universe na yung mga bagay na natutunan ko sa labas ng ring. Kung in-apply ko sa show business, pasok, hindi ko kasalanan yun. Right?
So parang sinasabi mo na hindi mo kasalanan maging artista.
Hindi ko kasalanan yun. Okay? Hindi ko kasalanan, nagkaroon ako ng mga projects, endorsements, movie deals. Lagi nilang sinasabi, hindi na tayo magpapaligoy-ligoy pa. People in that locker room hate me. A lot of the people there believe that I don't belong in the ring anymore. Sanigo thinks I'm a part-timer. Bon, yung kulot, he actually believes that I gave his phone STD. Oh, and then Romeo of all people think that I'm just using wrestling. Na-escape ko lang yun. Nakapagpagod na ako sa shooting ko, pupunta ako ng wrestling ring, magkukumpit ako. Pag nanalo ko, chichir ako ng tao. Pag hindi ako nanalo, dahil charismatic ako, chichir pa rin nila ako. I belong in that wrestling ring because of each and every Ravinatic that believe.
The final question na to, sinasabi mo to mga bagay na to na dito naman, tayo naman, na you've been looking forward to this. Hinamon mo si JDL, sabi mo, you want to beat them. What's next for David Ravena?
I'm not actually concerned about what's next right now.
Okay.
I'm focused on one thing and one thing only. Not letting my Ravenatics down. Pretty straightforward. I know I'm going into battle. Kaya nga nagtago muna ako Nagpaka-hermit muna ako Alam kong hindi ko matatalo si JDL sa popularity contest. Hindi ko rin matatalo si Minoru Suzuki sa padamihan ng malulupit na matches.
Totoo na.
What brought me to the dance is this and this. This, sharpened by MSG and Oro. This, Ravenatics and Underground, the World Underground. If that's not even enough to beat those two legends, I have every Ravinatic standing in attendance on April 12. They will be my fuel. They will be the reason I become champion.